Hi guys, welcome to this video. I noticed that I showed you my last dress, but I didn't yet open it, neither I wore it. So I think I'm going to do it now. This time I'm going to show you the bag in the right way, I hope. It's ready, open it. And this time the bow is blue. Did I sound boring? Please tell me, because sometimes I think I sound boring. Here's the dress. So that's the front. And this is the back. Is there the price? No. It got these the cutest little birds, so colorful, and flowers, and birds, and flowers, and birds, and flowers. It's so cute. It's transparent. So I thought I bought another piece under it. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Sorry. This is the under piece. Simple black nightgown, always from Blugirl. Okay, I'm going to try it now.